I'm a total chocoholic, and today I'm treating myself to some chocolate dipped shortbread. I'm going to show you how to use your Neff induction hob to melt chocolate without the fuss of a bain-marie. But first, let's start with the shortbread. I made a simple dough using butter, sugar, rice flour, plain flour and a pinch of salt, all mixed together in a stand mixer. We then cut the cookies using a 6.5cm cookie cutter, and we'll place those cookies in the fridge for about an hour, and that will help develop the flavour and ensure we have a nice sharp edge to those cookies. The cookies are then sprinkled with icing sugar and placed in the oven at circa 170 for about 8 to 10 minutes until really lightly browned at the edges. Now the cookies are cooling, we're going to melt the chocolate, so place the chunks of chocolate into the pan. We're going to set the induction zone to level 2. This is gentle enough to melt the chocolate without it burning or seizing. And then once the chocolate's melted, we can turn the heat down to level 1 to keep it warm. Then we're going to dip the shortbread biscuits into the melted chocolate and then sprinkle with chopped roasted hazelnuts.